It's time to meet the starters first for the Comelec Suffragettes. Team captain and setter number 9, Jane Yuma. Outside hitter number 1, Shanda Manlapit. Outside spiker number 6, Shyla Tan. Middle blocker number 11, Judith Abil. Outside hitter number 13, attorney Odds Nocon. Middle blocker number 18, Dan Gendrauli. And libero number 14, attorney Kat Rodriguez. Head coach of the Suffragettes is Mr. Ricky Marcos. And now, the starting lineup for the AFP Lady Gunners. Team captain and outside hitter number 1, Major Kaer Hake. Outside hitter number 2, First Lieutenant Kijoy Betino. Middle blocker number 4, Sergeant Ia Yonko. Setter number 6, Yen Olores. Outside spiker number 10, Rach Teguia. Middle blocker number 11, fireman first, May Madulin. And libero number 18, Mimi Dr. Baron. Head coach of the Lady Gunners is Staff Sergeant Miriam Go. UVL fans, let's get ready to serve, spike, and set with the Comelec Suffragettes and the AFP Lady Gunners. This is the UVL Season 2. Hashtag win and win, win and sports, win for charity.
There you have it. It's Abil, Gendrauli, Manlapat, Nocon, Tan, Yumang, and Rodriguez para po sa Suffragettes. Mga nakaputi for the AFP Lady Gunners, it's Hake, Betino, Yonko, Madulid, Olores, Teguia, and starting libero, and Mimi Baron. So ito na ang ating second semifinals match coming into this game. AFP up in the series 1-0. Comelec, they're hoping to have a winner-take-all match on July 3, Wednesday. Baka nyo po yan. Meantime, kung mangyayari yun, ha? Kung mangyayari yun. Meantime, first on the scoreboard, Rina, Comelec Suffragettes.
That's right. An attack there not controlled by Betino, giving the first one to Comelec. Last game, ang ganda-ganda talaga ng first set nitong koponan ng Comelec. Suffragettes.
Kasi sila nga yung ngayon naghahabol dito eh, no? Gusto nilang mabawi yung first game. 2-0, Comelec. Judith on deck to serve. Yonko to the back, and Ia gets her first point.
It's a very fast attack coming from Ia Yonko. No? Hindi na nakababa sa pwesto itong back row defense ng Comelec.
Set up job by the white and blue. Hake. Nagwa-warm up pa dito. And that one is out. Teguia did not hit that ball, so that point will go to the AFP.
Tied at 2 for the Comelec and the AFP.
Kijoy. Good serve. Madiin ang palo ni Dan.
Nanginayang si Teguia na hindi niya nasalo yung bolang yon.
Leaders with Comelec 3-2. Ia, very accurate in locating that back portion.
Went again to the zone 1 of the Comelec the second time around. Meanwhile, Olores on the service line.
Good serve coming from Yen. Jane with a setup. There's a campfire that Gendrauli saw on the other side.
Very, very soft touch coming from Gendrauli right there. Kala nila, atake ng malakas si Gendrauli.
Kita ng ano dun eh, no? Donut.
Butas na butas.
Ace for the setter of Comelec. That's Jane Yumang. Comelec up 5-3. What a smart move coming from Yen Olores.
She was smiling while she was doing that because she saw that no one was there on zone 2. She dropped the ball right there. And speaking of Olores,
Oo nga, si Mami. Mami, salamat po.
Mami Armin Olores.
Mami Armin, thank you po sa... Ano ba ito?
Parang fresh no?
Pamiriendang masarap.
Oo nga eh. Dati kasi ang pinaghahandaan lang niya yung mga players after the game. Tayo before the game.
Siguro
Binigyan niya na agad.
Nakita siguro ni Mami Armin naman nagugutom din naman yung anchor tsaka yung analyst.
Haba kasi ng first game daw eh.
Salamat po, Mami. Tabla tayo, 5-all. Ooh, that was in. Parang sibak for May Madulid.
Nice angle right there. Come from May Madulid.
Found its target. Lady Gunners, lamang dito ng isa. Babalik lang ng Suffragettes. Again. Going to Kaer, but it didn't reach the other side.
A rare error on timing for Cheryl Hake to jump for the ball. Sumabit ito sa net.
Major Hake. One of the leaders of the AFP Lady Gunners. And the team captain. Balik sa white shirts. Bumuelo si Judith. Got rejected.
But the blockers right there, Madulid and Hake, just in time to receive and block that ball.
Double coverage.
Major Hake was given 5 points for the team on their last game against the Comelec.
Jane, set up to Judith. Single coverage by May is good.
Saktong-sakto yung talon ni May Madulid doon sa bola.
And we have this update from Jess. Go ahead, Jess.
Chiki, tatlong bagay nga lang yung paalala ni Coach Miriam Go for the AFP Lady Gunners. Una nga daw, bawal mag-relax. Pangalawa, good communication on the court. And lastly, teamwork. Kailangan nga daw nilang kumilos ng buo inside the court dahil ito nga daw yung nagdala sa kanila sa punto ng game natin ngayon. Lastly, ang hiling ni Coach Miriam, sana nga daw makuha na nila itong game 2 para daw makapahinga na sila ng mahaba dahil nag-aabang nga daw yung PNP after their game 2 win kanina. For the Comelec Suffragettes naman, nakausap ko si Judith Abel before the game starts and consistency nga daw on all aspects yung kailangan nilang gawin ngayong game 2. Service, palo, blocking, and receive. Dagdag pa niya, nung nakakuha nga daw sila nung front set noong game 1 ay nagkaroon sila ng mindset na kaya naman pala nila na yun yung gusto nilang dalhin ngayong game 2. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Jess. And Judith trying to awaken her teammates. Sa kabila naman, tama yung sinabi ni Jess na i-report niya on AFP. Eh, makakapagpahinga yung kalaban namin, yung PNP. Pag makuha namin to, gusto namin ganun din.
Oo.
If and when the AFP get game number 2.
Oo nga, kasi pag ma-extend pa to sa game 3, malamang pagod silang papasok sa finals.
Yun.
As opposed to the PNP na mahaba-haba yung kanilang pahinga at preparation going into the game 1 of the finals.
10-7, AFP up by 3. Chanda serving for the Comelec Suffragettes. May. Mabalik. Again. Who tried to score on her own. What a save by Keyjoy. Oh, and look at that. That save started it all.
Abiel was trying to get that ball, pero nandun siya sa back row eh.
At saka nagulat siya, nakala niya si Judith ang hahabol eh. Lady Gunners up by 4. Hinabol ni Yen. At the net. May Madulid winning that one. And there's an early timeout here by the Comelec Suffragettes. Are down by 5. Let's listen in.
Hoy, bumalik kasi kayo sa tinuturo namin kasi pag nagsarili kayo dyan, walang mangyayari sa inyo. Okay, yung tinuturo namin sa training, kung saan kayo aatras, saan kayo didepensa, bakit ka gumalaw, di mo naman re-receive. Yung mga ganyan, di ba? Tingnan nyo. Ano lang yan eh, hindi naman nila pinaghirapan yun. Binigay lang natin sa kanila. Di ba, mahirap yung binigay lang natin sa kanila, hindi nila tinrabaho. Okay? Sayang naman, yung mga speed, di natin makuha. Malakas ba yung palo? Yung server nila, alam naman natin na yung server, adjust na tayo. Anong gagawin natin? Ha, Judith, yung atras dito, sumunod ka lang kasi. Kaya mo naman yan eh. Kapag gumawa ka ng sarili mo dyan, pati yung iba di na gagalaw yan. Okay, tara.
That was on point. On point yung sinabi ni Coach Ricky, no, na yung puntos ng AFP, yung karamihan dyan, not because of plays that were superior, but more of naging pabaya sila eh.
Oo.
Ang Comelec eh.
And ang gusto ni Coach Ricky Marcos is not si Judith Abel ang aako lahat ng bola. Ang gusto niya is for everyone to take responsibility of the ball there. They have to play more as a team here.
So let's see if they'll respond to Coach Ricky. Dahil the last thing they want is lumaki itong 5-point lead ng AFP. There's already a whistle. And that point will be given to the AFP Lady Gunners. Net infraction. Ito, yun.
Ayun. Natapik ni Judith Abel.
Nice serve. Yun lang. Pumasok sa corner.
Very deliberate attack coming from Judith Abel, hitting a cross-court attack down the line.
13-8, 5-point lead para sa AFP. Yan, kay Keyjoy pumunta. Pabalik lang yan, chance ball ulit. Back to the white shirts. Olores going to Keyjoy. Betinho will deliver.
Short and soft touch there by Keyjoy Betinho.
Yung ating bida sa ating segment performing well here. May Madulid now serving.
Madulid now bringing 5 early points for the team.
And it was a knuckle hit coming from Yonko. Nakita niya dito eh. Oops, regalo. Lumaki na to, oh. Di na. 7 points. So if you're Comelec, you want to stop the bleeding right here, right now. Wow, what a serve by May. Again, set up for Iya, the running hit. And then the point.
Once again, a hole right there at the middle of the Comelec Suffragettes.
We'll turn you over to Jess for this update.
Chiki, before the game starts, naabutan ko si Iya Yongko na nag-warm up and listening to the music. A certified blink. Nakaka-hype at nakakadagdag nga daw ng energy yung music ng girl Korean group. In her last game na, all credit si Iya sa kanyang mga teammates dahil hindi naman daw siya makakapalo at makakapuntos kung hindi dahil sa kanyang mga teammates. Kaya for this game nga daw, Iya shared that she gets her inspiration sa kanyang family and of course sa kanilang charity. Ito ang Viluna General Hospital. Kaya we can expect a very inspired Iya today to play inspired volleyball. Back to you guys.
Salamat, Jess. Ano next time, mapakanta natin kay Jess yung pinapakinggan niya. K-pop.
Oo nga. Alam si Iya Yongko lagi nagsasayaw eh. Makikita mo na lang siya dun sa sidelines, bigla na lang sasayaw yan.
Diba? Very animated, very bubbly.
In a spirit, it's very high all the time.
Nakakahawa yun. 17-9. Major Hake. Regalo again. Taken by Iya.
Tangkad kasi ng front line defense nitong AFP, no?
Oo eh.
That's why they're taking advantage of this rotation.
18 serving 9, Keyjoy. Dan. Balik sa green and white. Double. Oo nga, tinawag kay Yen. Not often do we see Olores making those mistakes, di ba?
That's right. So, it's one error coming from Olores. Meron rin siyang isang attack kanina.
But then again, there is a rotation error dito sa Comelec.
Oh, hindi nila napansin yun, no?
So, costly yan. Costly yung mga ganyang errors because, check this out, AFP is at the 19th mark already. Gendrauli stops the bleeding by giving Comelec its 11th point.
Gendrauli now with their 5th attack for the team.
Good first ball by AFP. And Ian not opting to go with power but with ball placement.
Nauna yung pagbabantay ni Gendrauli dun sa bola na binigay doon ni Yongko.
9-point lead for the AFP. Nakakatuwa tong reaction ni Iya, even on mistakes. Diba? Yan mo to.
Hindi masyado kasing naitaas yung bola, no? Walang sasalo doon, sabi niya.
Yung palakpak niya is as if to pray, huwag kang babagsak. Oh! That was the Gia. I thought, so score na siya doon. Judith with a point.
Lumagpas dun sa kamay ng blockers itong atake ni Judith Abil. Striking at the back of the blockers.
Gendrauli with the serve. Olores set up to Cheryl. And she scores again for AFP. (21-13).
Major Hake with the 3 points ngayon sa larong ito.
Will Lavado comes in, replacing De Gea. The good Major with a good serve. Suffragettes on the attack. Single coverage by May Madulid.
Basang-basa ng AFP yung ginagawa ng Comelec because Yumang is just giving the ball to Judith Abil.
Dolohan comes in for Betinho. And continuing to serve for the AFP, Major Hake. Abil with an off speed. It sails out for Gendrauli. So things are not falling into place for the Suffragettes.
Second error para dito kay Danica Gendrauli.
Samantala si Marifosque, pinaltan muna itong si Olores. 23-13, Major Hake on deck to serve. Double for Marifosque. Coming in is Jean Rasos. But serving for the Suffragettes, we got Ik Hernan.
Play all kasi tayo dito eh. So everyone must have a chance to see action.
Yun yung maganda doon, di ba?
UDL, oo.
Lahat may burn time. Tapos pag maganda pinakita mo, tatagal ka.
Oo, depende sa coach, di ba?
Oh. Abil! It's in!
Right momentum for Judith Abel, giving a kill for the Comelec Suffragettes.
15 serving 23. Good underhand serve. Joust at the net. Di na inabot ni Mayon. Judith was on top of the ball. Hernan is trying to build the house here at the service area. Trying to mount a rally for Comelec. Balik sa green and white. Yumang going to Abil. And it's out. Set point AFP.
Again, it went wide for Judith Abel.
Serving now is Lavado for the AFP Lady Gunners. Yumang set up. Ito na kaya ang pagtatapos ng set 1. Di pa. Dolohan. Too much muscle behind the hit.
And the angle is too wide right there. It had no target.
Pero ito yung gusto mo, na nabibigyan mo nga ng playing time yung mga not so often used players para pag naging crucial, pwede mong gamitin. It's a service error. So AFP Rina will get set to 125-17.
Yes, so this time around, hindi nakuha ng Comelec itong momentum in the first set. Basang-basa kasi yung depensa nila dito by the AFP Lady Gunners. Ang binabantayan lang nila dito was Abil and Gendrauli for the Comelec.
Once again, AFP getting this one 25-17. We'll take a quick break. Pagbalik po natin, himayin mo namin rin ang set number 1. Minutes ang ating first set. AFP Lady Gunners talagang inapakan yung silinyador para makuha ito ng in a fast fashion. They won set number 1.
Of course, May Madulid was very efficient on the first set, giving 3 attacks and 3 blocks for the AFP Lady Gunners. At makikita mo dito, mas malaki yung attack points dito ng AFP, 13 kumpara dun sa 9 na naibigay lamang dito ng Comelec. Although pareho sila dun sa errors na naibigay nila on the first set, but it was really on the blocks at yung mga atake nila kung bakit nanalo din dito ang kupunan ng Lady Gunners on the first set.
So, watch out for those numbers dahil ang ganda ng error. So, kita mo na maintain ng both teams. But you're right. The other departments, maliliit man kung titingnan mo, pero pag pinagsama-sama mo, yun yung difference eh.
Oo, yun talaga yung nagpanalo.
Diba? Yun talaga yung nagpanalo. Okay, set number 2, about to go on its way. Again, for those of you na hindi po lamang first game ng semis between these two clubs, na naig po ang AFP doon. 3 games or 3 sets to 1. So, the Comelec Suffragettes are hoping that they get game number 2 today in order to force a rubber match on July 3. Samantala, dun sa isang serye, ang PNP ho ay nakakuha na ng unang upuan sa finals, beating ang Bureau of Fire Protection, BFP.
Nangihinayang si Coach France when I spoke to her kanina after the game, no? Sayang kasi they really wanted to. They're really eyeing for an extended series in the semifinals, but they failed to do it.
Alam mo, feeling ko yung naging pabagsak balikat sa kanila. Yung extended set na third set, yung 27-25.
Napagod sila doon agad.
Oo mentally and physically, hindi nila nakuha yun eh. They could have gotten it.
Yes.
So pagdating nung set number 4, kita mo, you pointed it out eh. Parang bagsak to ka.
Oo, yung moral talaga nila ang baba, no?
Oo,
Parang walang humahabol doon sa bola.
So baka naubos nung set number 3. Meantime, service error from Judith, making it 1-all here in set number 2.
Judith Abel with 3 errors right now. She really has to control those balls.
Labanan sa net. At nanaig doon si Let Mabayad.
Of course, Mabayad dahil mas matangkad siya dito kay Yumang. Mas naisahan niya sa bola dito si Jane Yumang.
2-1. Betinho still serving for the Lady Gunners. Jane, they go to Dan. Ang tira malakas, it's out. And Dan is upset at herself. Mababasa mo sa mga labi niya eh. Akin, akin.
Oo. She really wanted to go for that ball but hindi niya na-control yung bolang yun. Too much power.
Oh, it's an ace. So, Joy is having a joyful time at the service area. 4-1. Gendrauli. Balik sa white shirts. Babalik lang yan ni Judith. Olores. Pumunta kay Let. Labanan sa net. And the floor defense of Comelec. Solid dito. Oh! Mahirap maghulaan. Yun ang nangyari doon.
Hindi nag-usap kung sino ang tatanggap ng bola between these two players, no? Si Tan tsaka si Atty. Nocon.
Yung last second tinginan nila eh.
Oo.
Ay, doon ang naging costly. And Betinho still at the service area. Mabayad delivers.
Mabayad always being smart on her attack. Eyeing for that hole for the suffragettes.
First Lieutenant Betinho. Another good serve. That ball found its way on the other side. Right now, parang walang maling ginagawa ang AFP, ano?
Everything going well para sa kanilang...
Except for that one.
Oh, right. Sa kanilang kupunan. Magic Smollett.
Oo nga. Bakit ba? Kasi tapusin muna yung palo. Mr. Reyes. 6-2 in favor of AFP. Good first ball. Suffragettes. Si Judith ang sinasandalan ngayon. Good idea, pero kinapos ng airtime si Major Hake.
Sayang yun. It was a good set coming from Yen Olores. Si Yen kasi is trying to activate lahat ng hitters niya.
Di ba?
Oo, parang hindi lang puro si Madulid, hindi lang puro si Hake. Everyone is involved dito sa play nilang ito.
Pero pag nasa gitna si Led, ay, bigay mo na.
She's very deadly in front of the net.
Eh, katabi niya si ano, tinan mo kasama niya dyan si Major Hake. Nandiyan pa si Pan Pantino. Ganda ng serve ni Yen. Judith. Ooh, that's a point there. Point for Judith.
Rare service, receive error coming from Betinho.
It's 4 serving 7. Boy pa yung bola. Babalik lang yan ni Let. One more time for Dan. Chance ball. Good floor defense by Pan. Oh, and ending that rally was Hernan.
That's a nice running attack coming from Manlapit, no? Si Manlapit. Oh, Victoria Hernan.
Yes. Oh, I think you're right. It's Manlapit.
Yeah,
I stand
Manlapit.
corrected. Meantime, we go to Jess for this update.
Jackie Arena, there is a sense of urgency for Dan Gendrauli of the Comelec Suffragists for this game. Kailangan nga daw nilang mag-double time sa larong ito dahil ang nagiging challenge nga daw nila facing against the AFP ay yung bilis nitong AFP at mas experience nga daw sila in games like this. Pero ang bawi na lang daw ni Dan, patibayan na lang daw talaga and level up Danica nga daw yung ipapakita niya ngayong araw. Balik sa inyo.
Oh, matindi ang pressure no, sa balikat ni Gendrauli, and if you see those eyebrows meet in the middle, she means business. But right now, yung kanyang kupunan down by 4. She's trying. Babalik lang yan ni Dan. Set up ulit. Gendrauli going to the back. Olores opting to go with Pan. Wow, this is a long one. Major Hake. No, the ball wishes to stay up in the air. Pan. Balik sa AFP. Pan to the back. It's out.
The long rally ended right there with the ball coming from Pantino. Went too wide. Yun, outside.
Sumobra lang, ano, mga
Konti
siguro
lang.
half foot. Sabi ni Jess, all out daw dito si Danica. Oh, she has to. They're down in set count. They're down in the set 2. But that's a service error.
Because I think si Danica also wants to give back to the fans who have been supporting Comelec.
That's
Ang
right.
Comelec sa pinaka-supportive dito. Tuwing may games sila, talagang yung mga tao kahit sa office nila, they would go here to watch the game live in Paco Arena. So, syempre, she wanted to have a good game for all the fans of Comelec.
That's right. And right now, within striking distance pa naman sila, Rina. Only down by 3 points. We got Chanda on the service area. Good receive there by Chanda. A nice hit from Judith. Pero maganda yung depensa ni De Gia. Pan. Danica was there. Judith hits it long.
Masyadong mataas din kasi yung pagkakaset ng bola for Judith Abil. Hindi niya matsyempohan yung bola. So nilakasan na lang niya. But it went out.
11 serving 7. Rach De Gia ang nag-serve para sa AFP. Good save by May. Yumang to Abil. And nanghinayang si Keyjoy doon.
She was already reaching for the ball, no? Itong si Keyjoy, but she was not able to control it up.
Shyla on deck to serve for the Comelec. 8 serving 11. First ball, good for Judith. Balik sa white shirts. Abil will deliver again.
She made sure na lalagpas ito sa kamay ni Betinho and Pantino at the net right there.
Just a 2-point lead for the Lady Gunners. Ito na ang Suffragettes. They're being led by Judith Abil. May will score with the aid of the net. Tinulungan si Madudi dito nung net, oh. Ayun.
Lahat kasi silang depensa ng Comelec is at the back row.
Attack mode, Suffragettes. At si nanginayang doon si Let. Score natin, 12-10 in favor of AFP. Pan. Meantime, Yumang Gendrauli almost scoring in that one. Ay, nag-agawan dun eh, no? Nag-agawan si Let Mabayad and Keyjoy Betinho. Slowly but surely, tinan mo, nakahabol tong Comelec Rinaw. Pa-isa-isa lang eh.
Lang nila talaga. And mas better kasi yung mga digs nila ngayon for the second set.
Yeah, that's right. Corner pocket, was it good? It's good. Oh, check ball at tinawag ng ating first referee.
Tied at 12 for these two teams right now.
12-12. Walang bibitaw. Nood lang po tayo ng UNTV Volleyball League. Good dive by Yen. And Gendrauli staying true to her promise. Going all out. Now we got this timeout. Lamang ng isang Comelec. Let's listen in.
Okay. Dito kayo, dito kayo. Okay, ganun lang yung gagawin natin ha. Tsaka dito ka nga para makinig ka. Okay? Diba? Kasi ginagalawan nyo, kayo nakakadepesa kayo. Ikaw, sweeper, ginagalawan nyo. Okay?
Yung gagawin natin target na sa service natin. Ha? Huwag kayo magsarili sa isip nyo lang. Sundin nyo muna kami. Kunting ano naman. Ha? Andaling talunin ng mga yan. Dalawa lang pumapalo. Hindi pa natin kayang ano. Ha? Let's go, let's go.
Pagtayo lang. Bakit na guys? Pagtayo lang kaysa sa umana. Guys, ikot.
Magpahinga lang kayo. ilaban na natin yan. Okay, sige, go.
Sa huddle ng AFP, Rina, ang na-pick up ko doon, hindi happy yung coaching staff kasi parang sumasabay yung AFP on how Comelec is playing eh. They're saying, mas malakas tayo, mas marami tayong pumapalo. Bakit hindi natin maiwanan ito, di ba?
Oo, that's right. No? Yung tama ka dun sa sinabi mo at saka sabi pa niya dun, dalawa lang naman yung pumapalo. Referring to Jen Drowley and Abil, sila lang naman dito yung with 7 and 8 points respectively for this match already. No? So, ito lang naman yung kailangan bantayan. So, dapat ma-anticipate ng AFP agad yung magiging galaw nila. Kumbaga, eye lang naman. An eye for Jen Drowley and Abil.
And Judith. And that's a service error. Judith was hoping that that ball would have curved at the last minute going down. But it didn't. Ilan na?
Lumolobo na. 5 errors na coming from Judith Abil, no?
Betinho with another nice serve. Jen Drowley blocked at the net by Mabayan. Single coverage.
Right time to jump for the ball for Let Mabayad.
Alam ni ni Let na huli niya yun eh.
Oo. Ang galing talaga manghuli ni Let pag nandiyan siya sa net eh.
Tabla tayo sa 14. At the net. And it goes the way of Comelec.
Rattled the front defense there for the AFP.
Nocon with a good serve. Olores set up for Major Hake. Walang nagbantay, walang nag-cover. We're tied at 15.
Hake giving 3 attacks pa lang, no? Dito sa match na ito. She was able to deliver 15. Or rather 5 in their last match.
Manlapit. Back to the white shirts. Jen Drowley. Pan was there. One more time for Danica. Going to that corner pocket. It's out. As we turn you over back to Jess for this update.
Chiki, for Pan Pantino of the AFP Lady Gunners, 4 na nga lang daw silang spiker. Kaya kung saan nga daw makakatulong, ay doon daw siya at kailangan nga daw nilang ibigay na yung lahat sa larong ito. She added na on top of the offense, good vibes, motivation, and encouragement nga daw yung matutulong niya pa sa team to make sure that the morale is always high. Always nga daw may pressure kapag defending champions, pero nawawala nga naman daw yung kaba kapag nag-e-enjoy na sila sa loob ng court. Dagdag pa ni Pan, mas maganda nga daw yung galaw nila kapag relax silang maglaro. Back to you guys.
Oh, totoo yun. Thank you, Jess. The more relaxed you are, the more fluid you could get.
The more focus that you can properly put the ball up and deliver a good attack.
Agree.
For the AFP. Nga, defending champion sila, so the pressure is high for the team right now.
Kasi pag ikaw ang defending champion, pinakamalaking X-mark nasa likod mo.
Oo.
Tina-target ka ng lahat. Ito mo naman yung coaching staff ng AFP, no? Talagang it's all business. Jane Humang about to serve for Comelec. Tabla tayo sa 16 here in set number 2.
Parang hindi napapagod yung mga players dito ni Coach Miriam Go.
Oh, grabe. Kondisyon.
Oo, the endurance is there for the Lady Gunners.
Let Mabaya gives the lead back to the AFP 17-16 with this hit. Now she's about to serve for the Lady Gunners. Good floor defense by Judith. Pan. Magandang timing ni Yumang. Uh-oh. It's gonna be a chance ball. And it goes out.
Again, apologizes kasi mababa yung set ng bola niya to Pantino.
Tapos parang hinabol eh.
Oo.
Hinabol ni Pan.
Mali eh, oo.
This is a very exciting second set here. Tabla tayo 17. Danica Gendrauli. Siya nag-serve para sa white and blue. Suffragettes chance to take the lead here. And they do that by that hit of Judith Abel.
Judith Abel wanted to redeem herself from the error she committed earlier. So now she has given her 9th attack point for the lady Suffragettes.
18-17, Comelec taking the upper hand. Set up ulit kay Abel. Now it's a 2-point lead for the Comelec. Don't look now, the Suffragettes are now up by 2. Good serve there, coming from Danica. Abel. Olores will set the pan at baba sa isang abante ng Comelec.
Bilis yung atake, hindi agad naka-ready para sa kanilang depensa itong lady Suffragettes.
Hinahanap lang hinahanap lang yung puwang, yung breakdown sa defense.
Ganong katalino maglaro itong veteran team ng AFP.
Magaling eh.
Yes.
Madiskarte talaga. And nothing to take away against the Comelec kasi sabi nga, dalawa lang yung hitter nila. But the other guys, the other ladies, are responding.
Yes, and they've been doing a great job. They have improved a lot actually.
Agree.
For this season. In fact, di mo akalain na bagong kupunan lang sila.
Agree with you. Judith. Babalik lang ni De Gea. One more time for Judith. Major Hackett like that one. Again sets it up. Cheryl. One more. Pan. One more. Abel. Denied.
Di siguro nakita ni Abel that Yonko was in front of her. Bantay na bantay ni Yonko at ni Pantino yon.
Parang dineliver na kay Iya no?
Oh.
Tied at 19, let's check in with the saddle.
Nasa gilid. Yun din pinaano ko sa'yo. Kasi yung libero nandyan lang yan eh. Kasi kapag, di ba, wala na yung anong import dyan, yung libero na yung kapalit, pwede may sa gitna lang. Pwede, pero tumingin ka. Pero kapag maganda, paluin mo na. Pag maganda, paluin mo na. Ilaban mo na. Okay? Ate, isang magandang receive lang tayo. Okay, dito lang natin ilagay yung receive. Ay, open ka muna, follow mo. Kahit saan, sa gitna, open follow ni Judith. Okay, pag single block lang yan sa Tiyongko, diretso mo, okay lang, kita dyan libero. Pag maganda, down mo. Decision mo na yan, paluin mo na yan. Isang magandang receive, sa sub tayo mamaya para 2 spikers ha. Okay, go.
So, crystal clear instructions from Coach Ricky Marcos. Meron siyang plano. He's just hoping that they get to survive itong reception na ito so they could put in 2 spikers.
Kailangan lang nila ma-anticipate kung saan pupunta dito yung bola, no?
Yes.
Para hindi sila malusutan dito ng AFP.
Here we go. Good first ball. Good second ball. But then again, walang check ball. Point goes to AFP. Major Hake. Lamang sila ng isa. 2019. Dalawang isip doon si Judith and Danica. Abil. Si Yonko nag-set. Si Pan ang pumalo. Olores opting to go to Pan. Over receive. Regalo. Tinanggap.
Yonko was there to just, tap the ball. Ang ganda nung kanyang twist, bent of the wrist para dito kay Yonko.
21-19. Major Sheryl Hake on deck to serve. Lady Gunners, lamang ng dalawa. Good first ball by Judith. But good defense by Yonko.
Tag team sila doon ni Pantino in front of the net.
Coach Ricky forced to call another timeout. Let's check in.
Last time out na to, Judith ha. Kailangan mapatay natin to. Isang magandang pasa lang, makaikot lang tayo dyan. Hindi tayo makasab ng dalawa eh. Mahihirapan talaga tayo dyan, okay? Isang magandang pasa lang, lalayo yan pag di natin i-stop yan. Okay, Judith, sige laban mo na. Kahit ano, iaba mo. Ha? Okay, sige, go.
Talk about relying and on your star, ano? Si Judith Abel, si Coach Ricky. Talagang sinasabi niya, Judith, sige, palo mo na. Basta importante, huwag tayong lumayo dito.
Oo. Kanina, ini-stop niya si Judith na kuhanin lahat ng bola. But right now, she's asking Judith to take responsibility.
Oo. Doon ka na sa go-to lady mo, di ba? Go-to guy. 22 serving 19. Major Hake preparing for that serve. Lamang sila ng tatlo. Chance ball nga lang. Unfortunately for Comelec. Buhay pa yung bola. Good save by Judith. Pan. At the net. Joust. Won by Yonko.
Won by the taller lady right there. Yonko versus Abil.
Pagka-joust, turn around. Then celebrate.
With poise pa si Yonko lagi.
Oo nga eh. 23-19 in favor of the AFP. Lamang sila ng 4. Gendrauli keeps Comelec alive here in set number 2.
Very responsive itong si Danica Gendrauli, doing her roles for the front row defense of Lady Suffragettes.
De Los Santos is in, and she'll be joining forces with Judith. Olores set up for Yonko. Iya goes to the back. De Los Santos. Ganda nung ginawa, no?
Pa-side lang pinapek dito ni De Los Santos kasi nakita niya andun na nakabang si si Yonko tsaka si Pantino. So doon ako dun sa right side.
Tapos ang problema, dumikit pa sa net itong green shirts. 21 serving 23. Pan makes it set point for AFP. Off the deflection. Lead of AFP at 3. Set point. knock on out. Or rather, knock on in, De Los Santos out. Comelec, they'd like to stay alive here in set number 2. But can they do that? Good read by De Gia. Pan ends it 25-21 for AFP here in set 2.
She found a target right there on the arm of Shaila Tan, no? That made a win for the AFP Lady Gunners, taking over 2 sets right now on this match.
Back against the wall para sa Comelec Suffragettes. Are down in set count 0-2. It has been AFP from the get-go. We'll take a quick break. Pagbalik po natin set number 3.
There we have it. The AFP Lady Gunners dominating 2 sets right now in this match.
Oh nga, 32 minutes in set number 2. They got a bit of a scare from the Comelec Suffragettes dahil pumalag nung set number 2 kahit papano.
Pero tingnan mo naman dito, no? Better digs and better defense for the Comelec. Hindi malaki yung disparity nila dun sa attack points nila, no? 11 tsaka 13 lang dito, no?
That's right.
So they're very close right here, but it all boils down to the blocks, to the service aces of the AFP na naibigay nila on the second set. And so far, Comelec has done a good job also on limiting those errors. 7 lang as opposed to the 10 given here by the AFP Lady Gunners.
Something that I'm sure yung coaching staff ng AFP would like to point out dun sa huddle nila. For sure, yung errors na yan. Kalahati ng score ng Comelec dahil sa pagkakamali nila.
Oo, tama ka dyan, no? But of course, itong Comelec has done a better job with the help of Jen Drauli and Abil pa rin. On the other side naman sa AFP, we have their Mabayad na talagang naging very efficient on that second set. And of course, Yonko. Si Yonko now has 11 points for the AFP Lady Gunners, apart from the 6 also given by, additional to the 6 given by May Madulid here.
So set number 3 about to start. Nag-change sides na yung ating dalawang koponan. So the AFP Lady Gunners will be on the right portion of your screens, while the Comelec Suffragettes will occupy the left portion. And in set count, ang mga manlalaro ng AFP lamang po dito 2-0.
If you're AFP right now, the mindset is to go for a kill this third set para ayaw mo nang humaba itong match na ito.
Ano yan, cut the head of the snake na yan. Para, kasi nag-report si Jess kanina, gusto nila, kung tayo mananalo dito, di ba, tapusin na natin para parang PNP rin, may pahinga din.
Oo.
Otherwise, pupunta pa ng isang laro yan. Sa kabila naman, Comelec, gusto namin maglaro sa July 3. Yun yung battle cry.
Gusto pang manood ng mga fans namin.
Oo naman.
Sa July 3.
Diba? So we're waiting for that first whistle ng ating mga referees. Ito na, Judith Abil doing the first serve for Comelec here in set number 3. And it's an ace. It's an ace for Judith.
Laki ng tawa ni Judith Abil right there. Nakaisa siya dito sa kupunan ng AFP. Kala din niya magiging outside yon, but it hit down the line.
Judith again. May was there. Yonko quickly ties it at 1.
Si Yonko, it's mabilis lagi yung kanyang mga atake para hindi nababantayan agad. ng Comelec.
Kung mga pupoporma ka pa lang, ano, tapos na
Oo.
yung palo niya. Ay. Actually, this might be the first error of Keyjoy sa service area.
Yes, that's right.
Diba?
Oo.
Kanina pa siya very accurate dyan eh. 2-1, Comelec lamang ng isa. Yen. And 2 points already for Iya here in the set.
Doon, medyo mabagal na yung pag-strike doon ni Iya Yongko, but still, you know, hindi nakababa agad dito sa ano eh. Itong Comelec.
Slow yet effective. Oh, nice serve there by Yen. Giving AFP a 1-point lead.
Yen now with 1 on the service line and 1 on the attack.
But that serve sails out. Alam mo, kahit nagkakamali siya, yung kanyang smiling disposition.
Andyan lagi, no? Tsaka,
Such a sight to see.
lagi siyang motivated kasi always na nanonood yung kanyang
Mommy.
dito. And aside from the mommy, yung kanyang mga barkada in Cavite,
Uy!
it's also watching live in the games, no? Kasama nung kanyang mommy. So, barkada niya mismo yung nandito.
Surrounded by loved ones. Meantime, Yen sets up May. Olores to Hake. One more time for May. So that point will go to Comelec.
Net error, no? Coming from Madulid right there, tied at 4.
Serving now is Danica. And it's a service error from the side of Gendrauli. Major Sheryl Hake on deck to serve. AFP up by a point. Running hit. Wow, that was nice for Judith.
Nagulat si Yongko eh. Biglang dumaan dun sa kanyang left side itong bolang ito. Nabigla din siya. So, hindi sila nakapag-communicate ni Major Hake.
Tied at 5. Not that time for May. Chance ball. Jane sets up Judith. And A for effort, pero hindi na umabot sa kabila for AFP.
Ayan, nagkagulo agad yung depensa doon ng AFP. The floor defense there. We're not in the possession.
Chanda manlapit. Floater of a serve. Betinho. Di nagka-unawaan si Hake and De Gia on who will get that ball.
Back-to-back errors for the AFP.
Now it's a 2-point lead. 7-5 for the Suffragettes. Hinabol ni Jane yon. Meantime, Olores going for Betinho. At Jane wanted to save that, but it was too close to the net. Ayun na yun.
Hirap na kasi, dikit na dikit masyado dun sa net. And, you know, really, ang challenge for the Comelec is the consistency, no? Lalamang sila, pero makakahabol bigla ang AFP. They cannot hold on to that lead.
Jess, what do you have for us?
Chigen, Rina, before the start of the third set, here are the few pointers of the coaching staff of the Comlex Suffragettes para nga sa laro ngayon. Una, minimize their errors, lalo na nga daw sa service dahil dito nga daw kumukuha ng puntos itong AFP. Pangalawa, good ball coverage. And lastly, sipagan lang daw nila sa loob dahil kaya naman daw nila itong AFP dahil nakahabol nga sila nung second set. Back to you guys.
Salamat, Jess. I think the operative word talaga is you have to outwork.
Oo.
Diba? Outwork your opponents. You're going up against the defending champions. You're going up against a team that has multiple spikers.
Oo. At saka mas maraming experience ang kupunan ng AFP sa kanila, di ba?
That's right. So the best chance you have is to just simply try to outwork them. And right now, dito sa set number 3, yun yung nangyayari. Judith Abil will be serving now for the Suffragettes. Lamang sila ng dalawa, 9-7. That one is out.
Too much energy coming from Yonko to hit that ball.
Abil pa rin magsaserve. Para sa Comelec. Tatlo na ang abante nila. And it's an ace!
Wow, Abil in double digits right now. 16 for the Suffragettes.
Coaching staff ng AFP hindi nakangiti. Pakinggan natin.
Sabi sa inyo, maglaro kayo ng maayos. Ha? Kayong dalawa, nagpahinga na kayo kanina. So dapat hindi kayo, alam niyo na yan, hindi pa kayo pagod. Dapat trabahuin niyo na maayos yan. Ha? Iya, kung kaya mo na mag-open muna, patayin mo muna. Ang depensa ng kalaban, nandun, walang depensa doon sa zone 1. Ha? Zone 1. Let's go, let's go.
Tara, Malan! AFP! Gana!
Solid yung reminder ni Coach eh. Huwag kayong mag-relax. Yun talaga eh. I think that's what he's trying to point out.
Kasi pinagbigyan niya na daw makapagpahinga kanina. So it's about time to do some work.
I mean, hindi pa kayo pagod.
Oo. Alam ni Coach kung pagod na kayo. Parang sinasabi niya, you're just faking it.
Eh, minsan naman, no? I mean, athletes, when you have a nice lead, di ba, parang body tends to relax a bit.
Oo.
Now, Iya says, okay, Coach, let me deliver. Lead is down to 3.
Ever reliable Iya Yonko right there for the Lady Gunners.
Good serve by Keyjoy. Gandang floor defense. Good save by Danica. One more, Major. They go back to Hake. Good net defense there by Yonko. Olores, punta kay Yonko. Running hit is good. Now it's 11-10. Or 11-9.
Yonko lang pala ang only player here in double digits for the Lady Gunners, no? 15 siya. Hindi pa kasi nakakabalik si Madulid tsaka si Mabayad here.
That's right. Good effort from Keyjoy. Tried to save that powerful hit of Gendrauli. Odds Nocon about to serve. Lamang sila ng tatlo.
Maganda itong rotation ngayon because Gendrauli is in front for the Suffragettes.
Good defense by Jane, pero balik lang sa kabila. Another chance for AFP to score. Floor defense si Betinho on point. Same thing for May. Soft touch by Iya.
Yumang was there pero hindi na kinaya nung kanyang pag-extend ng arm. Yung pagkuha ng bola, hindi na inabot. I like the attitude of the Comelec kasi hindi sila natatakot to fight against
Hindi.
strong balls and the strong attacks here of the Lady Gunners.
Laban sila eh, no?
Oo, laban.
And you like to see that from your team. The save fell short para kay Jane.
Low receive coming from Shaila Tan.
12-11, Comelec up by a point. Suffragettes ang humingi ng timeout. Pakinggan natin, damang sila ng isa.
Binibigyan nyo ng effort, di ba? Hindi yung pinapabayaan nyo lang, di ba? Yung mga ganyan, ano na natin yan eh, ha? Sige, go. Okay? Isa lang tayo. Sige, pahinga lang muna tayo. Kaya itong timeout na to, wala akong anuin. Pahinga lang, ha? Kasi center, puro takbo eh. Okay? Isa-isa lang tayo. One good pass lang ulit. Dani ka, nandito ka. Try mo 4. Tingin ka 4 pag kaya, ha? 4 para mas maraming variation yung daan ng bola mo. Pero kapag buka, stress lang. Ha? Ganun lang tayo, ha? Okay, sige. Tara, go, go, go.
Nakakatuwa si Coach Ricky. Yung timeout na yon para kay Jane Yumang. Sabi niya, setter natin panay ang takbo.
Oo.
Papahingayin natin muna.
Napapagod na kasi si Jane kakahabol dun sa bola eh.
And then she gave out a very nice giggle too na salamat na napansin mo kong paikot-ikot na ako. Comelec hang on to a slim 1-point lead. It goes out. They're asking for a check ball, no check ball. Tabla tayo sa 12.
Palubo yung angle ni Jan Drowley. So talagang magiging outside yun.
Ganda ng serve ni Ann. It's an ace. And she loved it.
Bilis bumaba eh.
Tsaka sa gitna ng dalawang defenders, ano?
Oo. Wow, 2 service aces for Yen now.
It's 13-12 in favor of the AFP. Nabol yun. Good first ball there by May. And that hit was low for Danica. Now the lead is at 2 for AFP, 14-12.
Straight lang eh, kaya it hit the net.
Yana Lores still serving for AFP. Iba talaga pag mahaba ang galamay, ano? Like si Iya.
Oo.
Nasusungkit pa rin eh. Back to the white shirts. Judith sends it back. Again, goes to Cheryl. It hit the antenna. Lead of AFP down to a point. Jane Yumang serving for Comelec. Set up ni Olores. And that worked for the AFP.
Napagod na si Abel to run for the ball. Ang layo kasi nung hahabulin niya.
15-13. Another 2-point lead for the AFP. Tan sits down. Rasos takes her place. Back to the white shirts. Yumang. Too much muscle behind that hit now. It's a 3-point lead for the AFP.
Gendrauli with their 9th error for the team.
Jess, meron ko ikukwento daw sa amin. Go ahead.
Kiki and Rina, kanina na pag-uusapan nyo nga kung napapagod ba itong AFP Lady Gunners. And according to Coach Miriam Go, actually the fatigue may be kicking in na nga daw sa kanyang team dahil bukod sa kanilang volleyball training ay araw-araw din daw silang pumapasok sa trabaho. Kaya puso no nga lang daw. At yung charity nila, yung kanilang driving force para sa larong ito. And for this set nga, ang bilin lang ng mga coaching staff, bantayan kung nasan si Judith Abil. Balik sa inyo guys.
Maraming salamat, Jess. We head on to this timeout. Let's check in with the teams.
Gawin nyo lang, first position nga lang. Okay, depensa lang tayo. Ate, 1 good receive, isang transition, ikot tayo. Okay, mamaya magdadalawa kami ng spiker. Ha? Okay, sige, tara, go, go, go. 1, 2, 3, Safra!
Huwag na kayo
I like what I heard in the huddle of the Comelec, one of the assistant coaches. Egging the ladies, wag na kayong magtira. All out na.
Kasi pag pinamigay pa nila ito, for sure wala na tayong game 3 dito sa ating semis.
Tsaka pag ganyan, sasabihin ng coaches, magpahinga na lang kayo sa off-season.
Oo.
Iba, sayang naman, umabot.
Haba ng off-season pa naman.
Tsaka umabot ka na this far. Diba? I mean, go all out. 4-point lead for the AFP. Gendrauli. Easy receive there by Iya. Sa kabila, Yumang. Good setup job there for Rasos. And Jane is trying to run all over the court just to get those second ball. Point there for AFP. There's a check ball. 18-13. Make that 19-13.
Na-timing nga ni Jane yung bola sa net. Hindi niya makuha yung jumpo niya that time to save the ball.
Tanagan comes in. Iniupo muna si Gendrauli. Olores setting up Iya. It was low. 19-14. Chitanagan serving for Comelec. Aabot ba? Hindi.
Cannot make that ball crossover.
I would say that last sequence, ganda ng pagkakasetup ni Yen kay Major Cheryl Hake. Just the way she wanted it. Hake on deck to serve. 20 serving 14. At the net. Judith was hoping for a check ball, but she didn't get that. It's now 21-14.
She was celebrating at first. Then
Oo nga eh. Parang nagulat siya na, wala.
Iba pala yung call.
Back to the green shirts. And there was another campfire on the other side. Narina, nagbalo na to ng 8.
Anyone went down there for the ball in zone 6 for the Comelec Suffragettes.
22-14 in favor of the AFP. It's an ace, make that 23-14.
really the errors hurting the Comelec right now in this third set.
Major Hake still on the service area. Sinave na lang yun ni Judith. Oh, Betinho and De Gia both went for that ball. Hernan in. And Chanda takes a break. Hernandez in. Major Hake sits down.
2 points away for the AFP Lady Gunners.
Service error, unfortunately, for Hernan. It's now match point for AFP.
Their goal entering into UVL Season 2 is to claim another championship title.
Oh, they're feeling it. They'll book another seat to the finals. Olores set up for May. Betinho. And it's official, the AFP will get a chance to defend their crown.
That's right, they're heading into the finals alongside with the PNP Lady Patrollers. So ayaw nilang pahirapan ang sarili nila. They ended this match in 3 straight sets.
25-15 on this third and final set. Alam mo, Rina, just too much firepower, too much veteran smarts para sa AFP.
Yes, and everyone is involved, no? Sa laro ng AFP, everyone is moving, everyone is showing being responsible inside the floor.
Now, our best player of the match together with Jess right now. Go ahead, Jess.
Yes, Chicky and Rina, kasama ko ang ating best player of the game, of course, none other than Iya Yonko from the AFP Lady Gunners.